Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So class 8 we have completed chapter number 4 work and energy. Today we are going to discuss the exercises of this chapter. So first exercise is tick the correct options. So first one is when a force is applied on an object and the object dash work is said to be done. So here are four options: moves in the direction of force, does not move, moves in the direction opposite to the direction of force, and none of these. So the correct option is moves in the direction of force. In which of the following cases no work is said to be done? Number 1, pushing a table. Number 2, riding a bicycle. Number 3, kicking a football. And number 4, pushing a wall. So the correct option is pushing a wall. Then work done depends upon magnitude of force, distance moved by the object in the direction of force, then direction of force, and both A and B. So both A and B. Then which of the following relations is incorrect? W equals to F into D, D equals to F W upon F, W equals to F upon D, and F equals to W upon D. So option C is incorrect. W equals to F upon D. Then SI unit of work is Newton, kilojoule, joule, meter. Answer is joule. When a force of 20 Newton acts on an object, it moves through a distance of 10 meter in the direction of force. The work done by the force is 2 joule, 200 joule, 0.2 joule, and 0.5 joule. Answer is 200 joule. Now state whether the following statements are true or false. Rewrite the false statements correctly. So work is said to be done when force applied on an object changes its shape or size. That is true. A porter does no work while carrying a luggage on a road. That is true. 1 joule of work is said to be done when a force of 1 Newton moves an object through a distance of 1 centimeter in the direction of the applied force. This is false. In place of centimeter, you have to write meter. Then 1 kg of meter is equal to 8.9 joule. This is also false. It is not 8.9, it is 9.8 joule. Now next exercise, tick the correct options. Number 1 is the amount of energy is measured by the magnitude of force, the distance moved by the object, amount of work done, and direction of force. The answer is amount of work done. Then SI unit of energy is erg, joule, kgf, Newton. It is joule. Then which of the following does not possess kinetic energy? A car moving on the road, a ball rolling on the ground, flowing water, and a compressed spring. So it is a compressed spring. Then which of the following is an incorrect relation? Ke equals to half mv square, mv square equals to 2ke, v square equals to 2ke upon m, ke equals to half m upon v square. That is incorrect. Last one, D. D is incorrect. Now, how much potential energy is possessed by an object of mass 40 kg when it is raised to a height of 5 meter at a place where acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square? So, what is the answer? 20 joule, 200 joule, 80 joule, or 2000 joule? Answer is 2000 joule. Now fill in the blanks. Number 1 is dash is the capacity or ability of doing work, energy or force, that is energy. The mechanical energy is the dash of kinetic and potential energies, sum or difference, that is sum. The energy possessed by an object due to its motion is called which energy? Potential or kinetic, that is kinetic energy. Then when velocity of an object is doubled, its kinetic energy becomes 4 times or 2 times, that is 4 times. A stretched rubber sling of a catapult has elastic or gravitational potential energy, that is elastic potential energy. The energy possessed by an object due to its position above the ground is called elastic or gravitational potential energy, that is gravitational potential energy. The amount of work done in lifting an object is equal to half mv square or mgh, that is mgh. Now fill in the blanks. Rate of doing work by an object is called power or energy, that is power. Then electric power is the rate at which dash energy is spent or consumed, electrical or mechanical, that is electrical. Then the SI unit of power is watt or horsepower, that is watt. Then 1 horsepower equals to 746 or 764 watt, that is 746 watt. Now next is state whether the following statements are true or false. Rewrite the false statements correctly. Number 1 is the physical quantity that tells us how fast or slow work is done is called energy, that is false, it is called power. When work is done, an equal amount of energy is spent or consumed, that is true. Power of electric motors and engines is measured in megawatt, that is false. Horsepower. Power spent depends on the time in which the work is done, that is true.